My dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, write from our verbs, exercise 41 to 60. So let's see. Our today's class 6 subject English second paper, topic write from our verbs, exercise 41 to 60. Lecture 24, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari. This is my mobile number and this is today's date. So let's start our today's class. Annual term, lecture 24. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate right from verbs within the brackets. So 41, as you can see, he talks as if he dash a leader. So if after as if and as though we find to be in the bracket, so in the fill in the blanks always we have to put where. Okay, after as if you find to be in the bracket, we will put always where. So he talks as if he were a leader. 41, the police not catch the thief yesterday. So yesterday past indefinite tense, we have to make the sentence negative. That's why we have to put here did not, and after did not, do not, does not, did not, verb always will be in present form. The police did not catch the thief yesterday. 43, you had better leave the place. So if after had better, had rather, would rather, let, must, need, there, if we find verb, the verb always will be in present form or base form. You had better leave the place. 44, having dashed my breakfast, I went to school. The bracket finish. So after having and to be, if we find verb always will be in past participle form. So having finished my work, I went to school. This is called also participle, perfect participle in English. 45, I come to school with a view to the bracket gain knowledge. So we know after to we always put present form of the verb, but here we find a phrase with a view to. But if we find with a view to, not only to, with a view to, we have to put ing of the verb. So we have to write gaining knowledge. 46, the lady guest talked as though I dash not speak. So before as though we find past indefinite tense. So after as though we have to put past perfect tense. So I had not spoken. Okay, the lady guest talked as though I had not spoken. 47, every mother dash in the bracket love her child. If you find every in a sentence, the verb will be in singular form. So every mother loves her child. Mother. Okay, if you find every in a sentence, you have to put singular form of the verb. Every mother loves her child, or is or es after the verb. We will put is or es after the verb. 48, one of the girls dash my friend in the bracket B. Okay, so which is the subject of today's this sentence? Not girls. Of, before of. If you find preposition of in a sentence, before of, the word one is the subject. So one is a subject, not girls. That's why one of the girls is, the answer will be is my friend. 49, is girl dash got a prize. So I say is every one of the. If you find in the subject is every one of the, each every one of the verb always will be in singular form. So have is the plural form. So has is the singular verb. So is girl has got a prize. 50, Nigam said that she dash here the next week. So the sentence starts with a simple past tense and then we find next week. That's why Nigam said that she, we will put here not will, because this is past indefinite tense. This sentence starts with past indefinite tense. That's why we have to put would here. Now after would, verb will be in present indefinite tense or present form or base form. So Nigam said that she would come here the next week. 51, my pen was dash. So this is the passive form of verb. Okay, so my pen was dash. So pen cannot stole the pen. So verb doesn't do the, subject doesn't do the work. So we will put the sentence in past passive form. So my pen was stolen. The car is dash. This is also verb is passive form. In passive form, verb always will be in past participle form. The car is bought. 53. If he is in the office, I dash him. If he is in the office, so after if present indefinite tense, then subject we will put after subject future indefinite tense. So if he is in the office, I will telephone. Telephone. Okay, so if he is in the office, I will telephone. If you find after if present indefinite tense, so the second clause will be future indefinite tense. If she dash, I would help her. So we find here past conditional tense in the second clause, that is principal clause. So in this first clause, that is called the subordinate clause, will be past indefinite tense. So this is if she wanted, I would help her. 55. If you had started earlier, you dash catch the bus. So the sentence after we find past perfect tense. If we find after if past perfect tense, we have to put the second clause, that means principal clause will be in perfect conditional, that is would have, could have, might have. So we are putting would have, and after would have, after have, what happens to the verb? Past participle verb. So if you had started earlier, you would have caught the bus. 56. Had I been a king, I dash a hospital. If a sentence starts with had I been a king, or starts with had, we have to, the second clause, that means principal clause, will be in perfect conditional. That means would have, might have, or could have plus past participle of being verb. So established. So had I been a king, I would have established a hospital. 57. If I were a child, I dash happy. If a sentence starts with if plus subject plus where, so the second clause will be past conditional. That means if I were, but I would be happy. 58. Tell me dash read since morning. So if you find since or for in a sentence, and the work has been going on for some time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. So after subject has been will be used, because ilmi one person, and verb plus ing. So this will be reading. Okay, so ilmi has been reading since morning. 59. She got the work dash by Tasin. So this got is called the causative verb. This verb doesn't do the work. She got the work, and if we find causative verb in a sentence, second verb will be in past participle form. So she got the work done by Tasin. 60. The old man worked slowly lest he dash fall down. So if we find lest in a sentence, after subject we have to put should or might. Now after should or might, you know the verb always will be in base form or present form. So the old man walked slowly lest he should fall down. So that's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home, avoid bad parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.